time. So we're going to have this rested for 10 minutes. Okay? So Jansen is now mixing. Okay? Light mixing lang. Basta maging dough na siya, pwede na. And then here now on the right side, Anne is preparing the filling. Okay? So ano yung filling natin sa loob? Today we're going to use the lotus paste. No? Lotus paste. You can use any type of bean paste. No? You can use red bean or the lotus paste or yung black bean paste. Depende sa inyo. We're going to have a square type of mooncake which is approximately around 200 grams. Okay? So yung filling natin, 115 grams. Okay, so you have to weigh it one by one. Okay, and then at the center of the filling, we're going to use the egg yolk. Egg yolk po ng duck. Okay, this is salted duck egg yolk. You can buy that in any Asian local store. Okay, right. So after mixing, ito yung itsura ng dough. Okay, so we have to let this rest for a while. Pag nasa bahay kayo, then you have lots of time, you can do this ahead of time, like 2 to 3 hours prior to baking, so that the crust will have enough time to rest. No? By the time na gagamitin mo siya, and then i-bake mo siya, it won't dry out, and then it will not easily crack. So we have to let this rest. Right, again, no, for the filling, this is the lotus paste. We weigh it one by one. It has to be around 115 grams. Alright, once you have formed it into a round form, no, you're going to slice this. Slice this in half, and then lalagay niyo yung egg yolk. Slice it in half. And you cannot consume that kasi for health reasons, mataas kasi ang sugar and fat content yan. So, when you eat your mooncake, you share it with your loved ones. So, when you're going to eat that, you're going to slice that. So, it's very important that the egg yolk is at the center. Para pagka-slice mo siya ng ganon, lahat meron egg yolk. Right? So, ito, you're going to insert the egg yolk. Ayan, ito. And then, balik mo yung other half. So, today, we're going to make 6 pieces of mooncake. We could add some more nuts if you want, according to your taste. You could add raisins or any dried fruit.
Another trivia for the mooncakes. Actually, mooncakes are offered between friends or family gatherings while celebrating the festival. So, ayun, hindi lang pala tikoy ang sinishare ng mga Chinoy. Hindi pala mooncakes yung share. Then, the Mid-Autumn Festival is one of the 4 most important Chinese festivals. So, Chef, ba't mo siya kailangan ba even yung pag-roll mo sa kanya? Or, kasi may square naman siya sa molder.
Yes, as I said, no, but kahit ilagay mo sa molder na round or square, it is very important that it's equally distributed. Para pagka-share mo, lahat may lotus paste at the same time na siya egg yolk.
CKSC Business Expo. Just go to the CKSC prizes or what? Gift certificates from our sponsors. Chef, pang second step na po ba?
Yes.
Second step na. So guys, nasa second step na tayo. First is yung wet to dry ingredients. Then second is yung filling. Then malapit na tayo mag-proceed to our last step, which is yung sa molder. So lahat pa nakikita natin sa mga stores ay 1 day old na, hindi siya fresh. Kasi yun pala, mas masarap siya pag 1 day old. So guys, ganyan yung typical molder ng mooncake natin. Finishing touches lang daw sa crust. So Ann, ba't mo siya tinitimbang? have so that evenly cook siya. So important din dito, if you're gonna bake, sa lahat naman ng baking guys, if mag-bake kayo, important yung measurements, temperature. Kasi yun po yung critical po na details para po evenly cook ang iyong pastry. Actually guys, mabilis lang naman mag-bake para lang kayo naglalaro. So sa mga high school, mag-graduate ng high school, yan. Baka gusto nyo naman mag-enroll sa Champ iChef, lalo na sa HRM. Mali mo kayo next year, kayo naman yung nandito. Nagdedel mo. So dyan, saan anong niro-roll mo? Straight answer. As mentioned, gaya ng filling, dapat evenly portioned din yung crust natin. The third step is putting the crust on top of the filling. Covering the filling with the crust. Yung mixture natin kanina na wet to dry ingredients, ngayon, i-cover natin yung filling, which is yung brown. As you can see, Anne is covering the filling with the crust mixture now.
Okay, so this is the crust, yung light brown. And then you're going to put it inside the crust. Gagawin natin yung filling.
Push mo yung crust hanggang sa makover mo yung ganun pala. I think Anne is done with her mooncake. So ano next step yan, Anne? I-mold na siya, which is our last step. We'll put the mixture into the molder. But first you have to put flour in the molder to prevent the mixture from sticking into the molder. So you can see Anne, pinowder niya na flour. Bakit may flour? To prevent it from sticking. So sa center mo siya muna. So you can see Anne place the mixture at the center of the molder. Then press it hanggang ma-fill up lahat ng spaces. So dapat Anne walang holes, no? Dapat lahat filled up. Pakita naman sa guest natin na yun, dapat ganyan lang. So Jansen, paano mo ba tinanggal ang mixture natin sa molder? Tatap mo lang hanggang sa mag-fall out naman siya on its own dahil sa flour. So Jansen will show you the procedure again. Generously apply flour. So guys, yung pinifill up naman niya lahat ng empty spaces para perfect yung shape. Yung kung ano yung shape ng molder, ganun yung magiging shape ng ating dough. So yun, perfectly shaped every single. So guys, merong free days for our guests. Mga ano na kasi guys, yung mga i-giveaway namin is yung mga pre-bake na po. Kasi as Chef said, mas masarap ang pre-bake pag one.
Again, there are only 4 easy steps, no? First, you're going to mix all the dry ingredients, and then in the hat, which is the flour and a little bit of salt. Second is add the liquid ingredients, which are the syrup, the oil, and then the water, which is alkaline water or lye water. After that, you mix that. No? Don't overmix. You mix that until it forms into a dough. Okay? If you have lots of time, you have to let the dough rest for 2 to 3 hours. It's not 10 to 30 minutes. No? It is very important that you let the dough rest para hindi siya mag-crack. And then third is yun nga, no, yung filling. We use white lotus paste today. You can use any other type of paste. No? Merong durian paste, marami na ngayon ay bagong new flavors, no? You can play with it. So you could add nuts or spray this first with water, konti lang, no? And then bake it for 10 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. After that, take it out, you brush it with egg wash. And then bake it for another 10 minutes. Yun na, thank you.
So I hope you guys took down notes. And that's it for our mooncake cooking demo. Say thank you to SM City Sonatro for this opportunity, for letting us show our skills. And we hope to see you at SM City